Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make Panang curry paste. Or with the all ingredient. Right, the ingredient today we use garlic. Yeah, we use about 10 or 12 cloves of garlic, 2 pieces of banana carrot, 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste, 1 tablespoon of galangal, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 3 stems of lemongrass, half of just take the skin of kaffir lamb skin, only half, and 40 gram of dry chilli. But dry chilli we soak in the water about 20 minutes, make it easy to grind it. Okay, and now first we slide the lemongrass. And then slice the shallot. Okay, kaffir lamb skin. We grind the paste with the mortar and the pestle. Okay. Okay, this one, don't forget, if you, normally we roast for 5 minutes. If you don't roast, also can, but when you want to make the curry, you fry the curry paste a little bit longer and make it more nice smell. Yeah? The 1 tablespoon coriander seed, a tablespoon of cumin seed, when coriander seed and cumin fine like this, yeah, become really fine, then you put all the ingredient we slice. Oh, quite a lot in this one. And galangal, I put 1 tablespoon. I'm not good with the or this one, the mortar. And then we put garlic. And shrimp paste. And we put last we put chilli. Don't forget to soak and easy to grind it. จะดูยังมีกินอยู่นิดหน่อยเดี๋ยว5 minutes more okay The Panang is the hard work to make it fine. Okay, this is how our Panang paste look like. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Next week, we use this Panang paste to do the special dish. Right? Okay, see you next time.